Good morning, everyone. Welcome to paradise. It's day 2 of my Myrtle Beach vacation. Let's go to the beach. Hey guys, I'm down at the beach now. Look at that. Nice and calm here. Water's nice and warm. Waves aren't all that bad. Altogether, it's very nice down here. Hey guys, came in for a little bit of lunch. Some nice hot dogs, mayo, and lettuce. Sounds good, I don't know. But here's the place we're staying at. Quite nice. Ah, hey, they built their ramp. Hey guys, we moved upstate a little bit into North Carolina at a different beach. It's known for seashells and stuff. I decided to go metal detecting here. Hopefully I'll find something. Look at that sunset. Beautiful, isn't it? So guys, I spent about 30 minutes metal detecting and I found a pocket full of change. Look at that. Someone must have had change in their pocket and sat down. Hey guys, that concludes day 2 of my trip. Now tomorrow hopefully I can go out and really show you guys some cool stuff. If you want to go see that, I'm going to put the annotation right here for day 3. If you don't, then... Alright, see you guys later.